So guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be making some sorbet, but first I'm gonna have to put this in, but this is what makes the sorbet. So I will take the juice strainer out, and I will put this in so this lines up with here. So now we are getting ready, guys, to start making our sorbet. So guys, I'm gonna cut my frozen mango bag. So this video is just gonna be a short video, guys. Of all my new subscribers. Thank you all for supporting my channel for the entire 2023. So let me just plug in my juicer. So guys, I'm gonna start by putting in some frozen mangoes. And I'm going to turn the machine on. So guys, let me turn on the machine, and look guys, look how everything is being crushed, and it is coming out so nice and smooth. Look at the color, how it is bright. Who don't want to try this? I am telling you guys, I've made some already and it is so yummy. It is delicious, very delicious. And the fact that you don't use milk, it's just straight from the fruit, it is the best for you. So I am not going to add any milk to anything, because you know, I just don't, I'm cutting off the dairy. It's best to kind of go low on some of the milk and all those kind of dairy products. So guys, the sorbet has less calories in it. So that is why I buy this machine, and trust me, the Moving Revo 830 is very good. And it has no fat in it. And it is rich in vitamin C. So that is why I love to make it. Because it doesn't have any egg, you don't have any milk or anything like that in it. And it is very good for you. It just comes out of this machine smooth. You don't even taste a lump. This is how smooth it is, guys. Look at how beautiful the color look. And guys, a lot of people don't know that mango strengthen the artery walls and help to improve the cholesterol and lower blood sugar level. Trust me. So you know, if you have this 2 times a week, you have a less chance of having a stroke. And guys, I can tell you that mango contains a high dose of vitamin A to boost your immunity and help fight off infection. Vitamin A is also important for vision, bone growth, healthy skin. So there you have it. And guys, this recipe skips the refined sugar found in most commercial sorbet that you have on the market. So it is good to use your own frozen ingredients and make your sorbet. Look how beautiful it is. So guys, I've just turned on the juicer and we are going to continue to make some more. So here I have a small amount leaving the bag, so I'm just gonna pop that in and keep going, guys. Whoops, look at that, guys. It's almost pushed with the container off the counter. It is that powerful. So let's carry on with my sorbet making. So guys, I hope everyone will try this out. This is a very healthy way to go, honestly. It is so smooth. I cannot believe that this machine makes it so smooth. Trust me, guys, if you try this, you will enjoy it. So guys, it's almost time for me to share out my sorbet. I am going to use some coconut trash for the topping and a little piece of mint, so stay tuned for the end result, guys. And guys, let us just top this off. That mango help with your skin and your hair, support heart health, and of course I mentioned before that it support eyes, so it is just good for everyone. So guys, look at this. It is just absolutely beautiful. Wow. Look how it spread. Look how it's just easy to just spread. You see when I touch it how it looks? So guys, I am going to share out my sorbet. So guys, I am going to share my sorbet out. I'm going to have to use a little spoon to push it off, just like that. So let's switch over so I can I'm gonna look one of the scoop that you can squeeze, the one that you squeeze and it releases. This one that I have is just, but nevertheless it's working. So normally I would use my coconut bowls, guys, but today I'm using this little square bowl. Wow, I think I'm gonna put one more. Let's put this up a little bit in the middle, like this. Maybe another one. So guys, I'm just going to sprinkle just a little bit of coconut on it, and I will put so guys, that's gonna be the end of this video. Subscribe to the channel for more. See you in the next video. Don't forget to give a thumbs up and share with a friend. Leave a comment and tell me what you think. Bye for now.